I'm Keith Sorem with the Keith Sorem team at Keller Williams, and this is the Real Estate Market Report for December 2008 for the East San Fernando Valley. The East San Fernando Valley starts with North Hollywood, then it goes to Sun Valley, Shadow Hills, Valley Village, Valley Glen, and Van Nuys. That area has seen a tremendous improvement over the past year. Just to give you an idea of how I measure real estate, we use a market index, and the market index is a compilation of figures which I'm going to review here shortly. Above 1.20 is a seller's market. Between 1.2 and 0.8 is a neutral market. Below 0.8 is a buyer's market. If you were to look at the graph here for this area, it started here back in December. It's been a very, very steady increase. So for people that say the real estate market's not improving, it ain't so. Now, let's go over the details. First of all, the market index jumped. Now, every area I monitor dumped in November. The economic downturn, Wall Street, caused a big hiccup, but almost everyone went back up in December. So we're looking at a market index of 0.31. That's not as high as it was in September, but awfully close to it. So we're still on an upward track. New listings, we had 130 new listings come on the market, down from 181 last month versus 177 in January. That's very, very similar to the other markets I track. Now this is interesting. Pending listings, listings that go into escrow during the month. We had 108 new escrows, down from 152 last month, but compared to only 25 last January. That's a huge improvement. Now, if the pending ratio 0.74, down from last month 0.84, but still way, way, way up from last December's 0.14. This is great. This shows us that the market is improving, that there's a lot more activity going on. Now let's look at listing inventory, because this is a big part of that whole equation. 896 listings are in the MLS compared to 1,031 last year, or last month, and compared to 870 last year. So unlike some areas, we actually see a pretty healthy growth in inventory. So for buyers, it's definitely a great time to buy because there's a lot to choose from. A lot of those are going to be bank-owned properties. Sometimes we call them REOs. And we also have a lot of short sales, people that need to sell. So when people need to sell, the price can be good. Sales prices, 337, 311 dropped 8.3% compared to last year. You know, it's funny, some people are thinking that you can buy a property for nothing. Well, they are less than they were, but you know what? There's a point where we all are thinking, well, when's the bottom going to be? I don't know yet, but if you look at this, it looks like the lowest point in the last 12 months was December. Could be farther to go. We'll see. So if you're looking at buying a home, the most important factors are price and interest rates. Interest rates have dropped to levels we haven't seen in 20, 30 years. I had a buyer, $417,000 loan, 4.4% interest rate. So if you're thinking of buying, please give me a call. I'd be happy to answer questions, or a copy of my report. I'm happy to send it to you. You can reach me at keith@beautifulburbankhomes.com or online at beautifulburbankhomes.com if you want to see more information. Give me a call, 1-888-284-2056. That's 1-888-284-2056. Thanks for watching and have a great day.